3, 2, 1.
What unit do scientists use to measure the distance between stars? The answer is A, light year. The term science comes from a Latin word that means The answer is D, having knowledge. Which of these units for distance is the longest? The answer is C, 1 parsec. A teacher asks her students to examine titles of 4 scientific articles. Which titled article is specifically about a chemical change? The answer is A, how baking soda reacts with vinegar. What carries oxygen throughout the body? The answer is C, red blood cells. What is a wrench used for? The answer is B, painting. Which country has the highest population density in the world? The answer is B, Bangladesh. When is the World's Diabetes Day? The answer is A, 14th November. What is the value of pi rounded to nearest integer in a circle with circumference 22 cm and diameter 7 cm? The answer is D, 6. Which language was used as a lingua franca in India during the colonial period? The answer is B, English. Which color was Pantone's color of the year in 2019? The answer is D, purple. Who owns the world's largest collection of rubber ducks? The answer is C, Peter Ganaway. What is the international symbol for No? The answer is B, X. Which search engine uses the domain google.co.uk? The answer is A, Google. What has many keys but can't open anything? The answer is C, keyboard. What is that which men carry in their waistcoats and women carry in their hearts? The answer is A, heart. In what Midwestern town was Bill Murray born and raised? The answer is D, Wilmette, Illinois. How many sides does a pentagon have? The answer is B, 4. Who developed the famous theory of personality known as psychodynamic theory? The answer is A, Sigmund Freud. In which of these investigations would pictures from a camera be most useful? The answer is C, studying the growth of plants. Which river flows through the capital cities of both Germany and Poland? The answer is B, Rhine. What sheds fur in warm weather? The answer is A, a Great Dane. Which South American dish is a meat and vegetable stew? The answer is C, chili con carne. What is the term for plants that lack vascular tissues, roots, leaves, seeds, and flowers? The answer is D, bryophytes. Which tool is commonly used to measure distances or lengths? The answer is D, tape measure. From simplest to most complicated, how are multicellular organisms organized? The answer is D, cell, tissue, organ system. Which artist sings Hotline Bling? The answer is A, Drake. Which language was used to write the first version of Unix? The answer is A, Python. Which planet takes the longest to rotate once? The answer is D, Saturn. In the Seinfeld episode The Strike for Whom does George Costanza work? The answer is A, Kruger. What was the name of Lightning McQueen's truck in the film Cars? The answer is A, Mac. What is the primary cause of rainstorms? The answer is A, Earth is heated by the sun. What speaks in a whisper yet can be heard across the universe? The answer is D, a sound wave. What currency is used in Kuwait? The answer is D, Kuwaiti dinar. Neurons are classified based on the direction in which they carry what? The answer is B, nerve impulses. Which month has the most thunderstorms in the U.S.? The answer is D, August. What type of disturbance do even dominant plants depend on in many biomass? The answer is C, periodic. What is the smallest edible fruit in the world? The answer is D, cherry. What is the name of the iconic shoe brand known for its high heels and platform shoes? The answer is D. Wedge. What plays a tune when you shake it but breaks if dropped?
The answer is A. Maracas.
Which actor was originally offered the part of Sam Malone on Cheers? The answer is B. Fred Dwyer. The winner of the 27th Razzie for Worst Director for his film Lady in the Water used to be a darling of the film critics. What director should be saying "I see dead" box office? The answer is A. M. Night Shyamalan. Traits that are affected by more than one gene are what type of traits? The answer is D. Polygenic traits. Which architect designed the U.S. Capitol Dome? The answer is D. Jefferson Bolter. What term that shows how fast a population is growing includes new members added to the population over a given period, as well as old members removed from the population? The answer is A. Growth rate. What type of plant makes up nearly all plant species? The answer is A. Angiosperms. Who was Elizabeth Taylor's second husband? The answer is D. Michael Wilding. Which of these names does not refer to a sloth? The answer is C. Rikki-tikki-tavi. What is the central focus of the Sistine Chapel ceiling? The answer is A. Creation of Adam. Which of the following works was painted by Titian, one of the most famous painters of the Renaissance and the Venetian school?